I'm going to show you in this video why finding a local health food store like Mama Jean's here in Springfield may be so beneficial by saving you time, possibly money, and helping you out on your low carb and ketogenic journey. The first thing is gonna absolutely be the selection. I mean, look at this massive amount of red mill products. And look, here's one of the harder ones to find, guar gum. Here's some coconut and coconut flakes, different varieties, and even some organic. Coconut cream and milk, but I prefer this. This is just pure coconut cream. And chances are you'll find that sweetener that your favorite YouTuber has told you to pick up. But the best thing I'll share with you here in a minute. You may even find sesame seed butter. And look at the selection of nutritional yeast for your keto or low carb bread recipes. You may find cheap bulk cocoa powder or buttermilk powder. Bulk bins that can save you money on nuts and other bulk items like coconut flour. Here's some xylitol, shredded coconut, nutritional yeast, psyllium husk, and look at this, they have beef gelatin at my location. And y'all know I'm not a fan of Redmond's, but they have it. And they have sea salt, Celtic sea salt, pink Himalayan salt, and even some pink Himalayan coarse sea salt. And look at these exotic salts that you probably won't find anywhere else. So you might find a gem like this, which I had to go ahead and pick up on my visit just to try out. But this is what I really like about this whole food style store. I often get comments in the comment section about how expensive certain products are. And things can get expensive when you have to buy them in larger quantities on, say, Amazon. But you may find something like this in your local whole food style store. Finding items like, say, stevia in its powder and natural form, as you see here. Or for some hard to find chilies that you might need for a Tex-Mex or Mexican dish. And I have an amazing enchilada recipe right here you could try. Or some citric acid, which will be needed in an up-and-coming recipe of mine. And you may have the good fortune of your actual store carrying something like this, egg white powder. This makes it very cheap if you just want to test it out on a new recipe. And here's a white cheddar powder that could be used on my cottage cheese chips. You may also find containers like this for your spices if you want to mix up your own, or various size glass dropper bottles like this, which allow me to more accurately dial in my recipes. So if you're fortunate enough to have a store like this around you, it will save you money, shipping time, and those wasted ingredients that sit in your cabinet because you only used them once and bought a bulk amount. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, go ahead and smash that like. And as always, I will see you in the next video.